Davidson Road, 24.
Going out to Kerr.
Highway 64 at Kerr Road, Arkansas 117, Zebra George Frank. 117, did you guys at the controller ball?
Copy, turn on something.
Back off. Just forbidden at 1063 Brad 11.
The black sport bike, northbound on Kerr Road, coming up to I-40, stand by for direction. White male, black spike, blue jeans, black jacket.
Copy, approaching I-40.
White male, blue jeans, black jacket, all black bike.
Going eastbound I-40. Copy, eastbound I-40.
We're getting on 40 eastbound, speed's 80.
Getting on 40 eastbound, speed's 80.
He's speeding up to about 100. Light traffic, he's passing on the shoulder.
Speed's 100, light traffic, passing on the shoulder.
Copy, passing on right shoulder behind the 18 minutes. Turn around on us. Yeah, so we're going the wrong way on going back westbound, eastbound lane.
11 Little Rock. Be advised, suspect turned around driving the wrong direction. He kept between me and a tractor trailer. I'm 1022. He is
Copy, going
westbound on the eastbound lanes. I'm about a half mile ahead of him.
Yeah.